Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make a delicious but yet simple quinoa recipe. So to get started, you're going to be needing 1 cup of quinoa. This is the type of quinoa that I am using. And you need 2 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock, and you need a little bit of oil. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright, you want to go ahead and turn your stove on to medium low, and I'm going just to put a little bit of olive oil, not too much. As you can see, it is not much at all. And now you want to grab your quinoa, and we are gonna toast or roast that quinoa. You want to make sure you definitely keep an eye on it. We just want it to toast a little bit. Nothing major. This is what will help you quinoa from being bitter, because I know a lot of my friends say when they cook quinoa it's usually bitter, but when I do this to my quinoa it prevents it from having that bitter taste. I've been eating so much quinoa lately, guys, taking just a little break from rice. Quinoa have tons of good nutrients in there. Okay, I'm just going to toast it just for like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, nothing really crazy happened to me toasting it because I kept stirring it, so therefore it did not burn or anything. Now you want to go ahead and put in your chicken stock. Okay, we will not be putting any salt to this because of course the chicken stock is full of salt. And now right away you want to go ahead and cover that and reduce your heat to low, and we want that to cook or simmer for about 20 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 20 minutes and my quinoa is done. As you can see, it is nice and fluffy. I'll give you guys a closer look. You guys see that? And I will be eating this with some fish, some filet fish. I will come back and give you guys a recipe on that also. But please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I will list all of them down in the description box for you guys. But other than that, this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.